Hey, I will test one function of my multifunctional lab unit. I will test the solder station. This LCD goes here, and here I need to place a digital voltmeter, and I will now turn this thing on. Loading. This is a menu. But I will click on soldering iron. Maximum temperature is 400 degrees. Minimal is 200. I will set it to 350. You can see this, the plus and minus. Okay, 350. Okay, and I will press middle button for start. Heating, temperature is going. You can see it's warming up. Coolers. This is go here. IRF Z44, LM338 and LM338. Okay. Temperature rates. Okay. And I can now solder. You can see. Heating again. Okay, it's okay. Okay, you can read more info on Hobby Portal, and that's it. Now I will turn this thing off. Thanks for watching.